Alright, you just dropped your whole paycheck on a SCUF Pro gaming controller. Now it doesn't want to charge, doesn't want to connect, doesn't want to do anything at all. Can a $2 easy to replace part salvage your investment? Let's find out. Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be working on this SCUF PS4 controller. I believe it's an Infinity 4 PS Pro. The back is worn out, so I can't really tell, but if that's not the case, please let me know. Now we're having a problem with it not charging. If you plug it in, it doesn't do anything. And if I plug it into my PS4, it also doesn't do anything. It doesn't recognize it. So there might be a problem with the actual USB port or the board itself. Now to take this apart, we have 4 screws we need to deal with. We have 3 00 Phillips and 1 security bit, as you can see there. Now I understand that you need a special bit for this. I've tried my game bits and these don't fit. I have the 4.5 and the 3.8 I believe, and those don't fit. So since I don't want to spend $30 on a specialized bit, I found this spanner bit. It's a number 8 spanner. Looks like this, and this seems to work. It seems to hug the screw just in the right place to where you could take it out. So let's give it a shot. There you go. So save yourself a few bucks, and if you have this bit, use it. This is for my wannabe iFixit kit, which I'll link in the description. Now let's take out the rest of the screws. Alright, let's see how we open this. Okay, we have 2 ribbon cables in here. And crap falling out. What's this? I'll check that in a sec. I don't know if it's part of the plastic that's chipping off or something else. And more over here. Alright, let's see here. Alright, so we have this one here. And this one over here. Little latch and pull. I don't like using tweezers. I'm afraid I'm going to puncture the ribbon cable. Okay, we have 2 halves now. Let's see what this is. I don't know. I don't know if it's just plastic that chipped away. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Plastic, what's this? It looks like a component, maybe. It's kind of hard to see. It's got like the green from the board. And what's this? Oh shoot, it almost flew away. I'm not sure what this is. It might be plastic from the actual controller. I can't tell. And what do we have here? We have this. 2 screws. Guess this comes out first. Oh, gotta take out the board also. Let's take this out. That's what this is here. If that means anything to anybody. Alright, any more screws? No. Okay, diffuser. Looks pinched right here too. I'm not sure if that's a problem or not. And I see this here. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like the... I don't know. I need to look that under the microscope and see what that is. Alright, so here is the board itself. Anything else in here? Okay, what the hell was that? Oh, okay. Little buttons. Don't want to lose these. Let's look at the board now. Yeah, this cable has seen better days too. It's got some pinching on the sides. I'm not sure if that's going to affect its function or not. The port looks good. It doesn't look loose. It's probably just from it getting it plugged in and unplugged so many times, it must have warped the metal casing. It looks like something is missing there. I wonder if, let's see. Okay, I'll come back to that. Let me look at this here though. This is concerning. Let me grab my meter real quick and see if these are open or not. And here's my USB kit in case I need a USB port, connector, whatever you call those things. All right, let's see. That's good. Let's see that one. I mean, that was the main one. Let me see the other one. That's good too. And then this one, the outer one here. That one's good. That's good too. So the cable seems to be okay. It might be just stress from where it assembles, but still I don't like that. Might need to replace that. Now onto this here. Cat hair. Stupid cats. This is what I'm trying to figure out. Let me bring up a picture of this and see if there's anything missing. I see a few smaller components in here. Looks like a capacitor maybe, or a resistor in there. Let me check. Okay, I think I found where these came from. I think that went here. It looks like it. At least, yeah, this is it. Either this exploded, maybe when they plugged it in, it surged and blew this up. Not sure. It looks like this was one whole piece here that went onto this board here. That could be the reason why it's not charging. And since I don't feel very confident in replacing the USB port, I'm going to go ahead and order the actual board itself. It's like $7 for a pair of them, so yeah, let's do that. So let me order the board, and we'll be right back in a couple of days, I guess. So see you in a couple of days. Well, for you it'll be a few seconds, for me it'll be an eternity. So we'll be back. The board finally came in. Here is the new one. Here's the other half, and here's the one that we're replacing, which is missing this little thing here. I'm not sure what it is, but that's what was missing right there. And you might hear some wind in the background. That's because it's stupid windy here in California. As you might have read or heard, we're on fire again. So hopefully I don't get blown away by the wind or catch on fire. Fingers crossed. Let's put this in. I'm more concerned with my solar panels flying away, man. That's my main concern. Let's see. Now we need to put these babies here. These push buttons. One goes here. And these have like a little belly, so the belly faces downward. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's concaved. If I could just pick it up here. I'm trying to be very gentle because I don't want to bend it So just bear with me. I don't know if you can see on it, but this is never mind. Just put it with the belly down. All right, this one's next. All right, let's see if those are in place correctly. You should hear a little click. Yep. And yep. All right, cool. So we're good there. And now we need to just mate these two together and we should have a working controller, hopefully. All right, so this one's gonna go like this. Let's put this in first. All right, and now gotta get this one in here, in there, like so. Just need to get a good angle. We're in, and just want to make sure nothing gets pinched. Looking good, looking good. Well, before I close it up, let's test it. I don't like to put things together without testing them first. So let's test it to make sure that it actually starts charging. Fingers crossed, here we go. Alrighty. Yes, we have a light. Okay, sweet. That's a great sign there. Let's close it up then. All right, so there we go. There's our completed and fixed controller. Let it charge. Let's test it out. So when I connect it, it shows up as a DualShock PS4 controller. It doesn't say that it's a SCUF controller. I'm not sure if that's how it should be or not. Maybe that vendor number and product number, somehow it's code for SCUF. I don't know, and I don't care really. All that I care is that it works. So here we go. Up here, these two, these up here, the two in the back, these here. So that's where are we? This one is X, I guess, and this one is the circle, and then the actual pad here. We could test the vibration with this one. Let's see. I don't know if you could see it, but it's vibrating. I'll do it again. I'll put my ring here so that you can hear it. Oh wait. There you go. So it's vibrating. So everything seems to be working okay. That is beautiful. One less controller in the landfill. That plus $7 saved a $100 plus controller, so that's another big plus. And that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Save you a few dollars on having to buy a whole new controller. You could just replace the board. It seems pretty easy. If I can do it, you can do it. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit like. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you and take care.